Each unit assembles in less than 2 minutes. Once you find the optimal position for the power pack, place it on the ground and position the tripod over the power pack. You will then release the hand wheel in the centre, which will open the legs, and the centre spigot will drive through to the power pack, which you will then secure with the hand wheel on the power pack, which will anchor the unit into position. Next, attach the head to the tripod and connect to the power pack. Now raise the tripod up to the desired height and secure each section with the lock-in pins and tighten the hand wheels. This particular light head has been completely styled for sports applications. Each of the strips contain an optic to give the optimum light output on the surface of an area and the maximum amount of light that can be achieved with a battery operated portable unit. The angles of the light spread will be 30-degree optics, which will give you the maximum amount of lumens on the surface of an area for sports applications such as football or rugby. The power pack itself will come in two different battery types, the 24 amp hour and the 30 amp hour. The 24 amp hour will power the unit, the light head, for up to 1.5 hours on full power continuously, whereas the 30 amp hour will give an extended running time by an hour, so it will run continuously for 2.5 hours on full power. The power pack has a test it button on the side and an indicator which will give you a status of the battery. The cables are connected using a Nutrix socket which lock in place so that they can't be pulled out once they're in position. Once the light head's connected to the power pack, the on and off switch is positioned on the top of the case. This is so that when the head itself is attached to the tripod, you can still operate it, turning it on between the different power functions. So the initial press of the button, the unit will come on the lowest power stage, which is 3,500 lumens. On this particular power pack, the 24 amp hour, it will give you a running time of 9 hours continuously. A press again of the switch will bring it up to the medium power level, which is 6,000 lumens, and which will operate for 3 hours continuously. The last push of the switch will bring it up to its full power capacity, which is 14,000 lumens, and which will run for 1.5 hours. The LED light itself has been completely remodeled and upgraded from the old fluorescent versions. This unit now uses only LEDs, and it will turn out 14,000 lumens on full power. The head itself is a third of the size of the fluorescent version that we used to supply, and it's made entirely out of aluminium and polycarbonate with an ABS casing around the outside, so it's far more durable and robust and lightweight compared to previous models. The optics also eliminate light pollution, ideal for sports and playing fields around a suburban area.